Well, good morning, Scott. The Postal Service has become the center of controversy in Washington because of the election. But corporate America is worried, too, because the U.S. mail is so important to the economy. And that much became clear during the pandemic when we saw the volume of shipping and packages at USPS jumping 53.6% during its third quarter from a year ago as we all began buying everything online. But marketing mail was down 37.2%, and first-class mail fell 6.4%. Sending the post office into an even deeper financial hole. Now, major companies, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and CVS, they're all part of a coalition of businesses calling on Congress to authorize $25 billion in emergency funding to help stabilize the post office. Now, the cuts in service are already threatening America's smallest businesses. 70% of micro businesses, those with 10 employees or less, say that they use the post office, according to an internal survey, and they spend an average of $359 a month on shipping. Now, just last week, the post office says that it's going to have to hike the prices of commercial packages ahead of the holiday shipping season. Those increases will be between 5 and 6% to as much as 13%. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi saying she's going to call lawmakers back into session at the end of this week to vote on a bill that would force the Postal Service to maintain its level of operations from back in January. But that bill doesn't say anything to stop these price increases or to increase funding for the Postal Service. Guys, back over to you.
I don't know what to do there. Just in general, over the years, Elon, about about the post. You can't. I guess you can't price it where where the free market would price it. You just can't. So it's always got to be subsidized. Just this nagging problem year after year that just needs some government assistance. And I don't think it's going to get any easier, obviously, with all the competition and everything else. But I don't know. Do you have a solution for me?
I don't have a solution for you, Joe, but I will say the solution that the post office has asked for is even more money. I mean, the $25 billion that Democrats put into their HEROES Act is still not as much money as the post office itself says that it will need. They've asked for $25 billion in emergency funding, $25 billion in loans, and another $25 billion to help modernize operations. So, as you said, this is a long-term systemic problem that has become exacerbated by the pandemic. You know, what do you do to just stabilize the current situation? That is what lawmakers are facing right now.